After sleeping in a bit the next morning to shake off the jet lag, we had our friends Sydney and Jorge meet us at the hotel to grab a cab to our brunch spot, Bluebird, which is in Chelsea. The ambiance in Bluebird was exactly what we needed at that moment. Beautiful, spacious, sunlit, and filled with greenery and florals. It would put anyone in a great mood. We shared the miso glazed salmon, which was delicious, light, and fluffy, as well as the steak tartare was also a hit. Overall, we enjoyed the food and the vibe and would definitely recommend when you're in London. We just got done with brunch at a place called Bluebird here in Chelsea. Really cool spot. Good drinks, good food, ambiance was amazing.
They actually also had Bluebird in New York City. I think it permanently closed, which is unfortunate because we actually would have loved to try after trying the restaurant here. The restaurant is beautiful. The vibe was awesome. Everyone here looked so cool. Like everyone who was dining looked like so cool. Like they had the nicest style, like the coolest style.
Yeah, so now we're headed out, just gonna walk around Chelsea and kind of explore. We're gonna walking towards the Duke of York Square, try to do some shopping along the way, have a few things that we need to pick up. After Bluebird, our friends went to a Man City match at Wembley Stadium and we decided to walk around Chelsea.
Nice, thank you.
Not too long into exploring the neighborhood, we stumbled upon a Spanish tapas bar with an impressive display of jamón, Casa Manolo. We never passed up an opportunity to have jamón, so we went in and enjoyed a nice bottle of cava with a huge plate of jamón, along with an order of pan con tomate. So good. I love bread. I love olive oil. I love tomatoes. Put them together.
Yeah. And so what are you? Yeah.
Casa Manolo has numerous locations throughout London, and when we got back to our hotel that day, we realized there was a Casa Manolo right across the street. After a fantastic second lunch at Casa Manolo, we continued our walk and stopped in for some gelato. Apparently someone had too much cava and went wild with their gelato.
No idea. I got ice cream. I got gelato on my glasses.
What flavors did you get?
So we got cappuccino, vanilla, and then underneath is Tuscan cream.
Tuscan cream.
Mm-hmm. So good.
We also briefly stopped at the Duke of York Square to people watch, and then we decided to take the iconic red double-decker bus back to our hotel to get ready for the evening.
So we are headed to the luggage room. It's a really fancy bar.
It's like a speakeasy
Cocktail
lounge,
bar.
cocktail bar. Yeah, we're gonna go there before dinner. Do the sexy fish for dinner at 9:15. Do some pre-drinks there, and then walk over about 10-minute walk to Sexy Fish.
We're also really tired. We've
it's
just
been a
been
long
going the whole time we were in London. Haven't had a break, so but I mean we're still excited. It's still gonna be fun.
Looks pretty cool on the inside, so we're super excited. So stay tuned.
You hit the
Hello. Thank you. How you doing? The bar is 1920s themed with dark leather chairs and was dimly lit. The vibe was intimate, the cocktails were pretty good, and the bartenders were very attentive. This is a great place to take a date. After a couple cocktails, we made our way to dinner at Sexy Fish, which if you've ever been, could be mistaken for a club. After a rather fancy dinner and live performances, we collectively decided to finish the evening at the bar. After last night's festivities, we didn't have much energy to do much the next day. However, we found the strength to go out to dinner at Dishoom's. If you ask anyone for recommendations in London, you can be sure dining at Dishoom's will be somewhere on their list. We went to the Covent Garden location, but there are multiple locations in the city. The food was excellent, and I think we all agree that it was one of the best meals we had on the whole trip. It is no surprise that the restaurant was highly recommended. We ended the night with, of course, gelato from the shop across the street from Dishoom's.
Hey, what do you want?
And this concludes day 2 in London. We hope you enjoyed tagging along. I linked all the places we went to in the description. Thanks for watching, and please check back soon for day 3 of our London travel series.
How are you guys feeling? We picked up McDonald's on the way home. Oh, we went to Burger King. Did you see that?
We'll be showing you guys is